welcome back guys to my channel again. And as you know, in this video or in last video I had shown you that how to catch the Zapdos, and in this video I'm going to show you how to catch Articuno in Pokemon Fire Red, the legendary bird Pokemon. Yeah, right, Articuno. So first I'm going to use the Max Repel, and let's start with Surf. I'll use my Lapras. Just go straight out here, and just dodged enemies. We're gonna challenge you, and we are there. Yeah, over here, the sea form islands. There are two sides of the island. Over here you can't get that side, and from there you can't get this side. So it's only one way to reach here, Fuchsia City. Now let's go inside the sea form islands. Let's go straight. No, right here. From here you have to push this boulder aside. Straight and straight. Yeah, take it over here. Like that. Sorry guys. Yeah, we're ready. From here, go inside it. A revive. Okay. Oh, a repel. We are ready. Move on and get straight from here to over here. Okay, then where is it? Oh. Yeah, right here. Yeah, we are here. Oh, it's right here, guys. We found it. It's from here. We have to go and push this one out front. So it's in. Yeah, done. Once more rebuild. Yeah, done. Now just get into it. Take yourself right over here. Yeah, it's over here. We found it. Guys, it's yeah. You have to push this one out. Like that. Yeah. This one over here. Wait. Get aside. And then push it over here. Get it in. Now you just have to do it. You will have to get into it. Yeah, there it is. We are here, guys. Articuno is just over here. You got Lapras. Go. Yeah, we found. It is Articuno in front. And now it's mine. As you know, it's in Sea Form Islands. You are mine, Articuno. Yeah, we found it. We found Articuno. It's Master ball. And that's mine. So thanks for watching, guys. Welcome and goodbye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share my videos.